In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block number or contacts in your Android phone. So at first, open up your phone app. After that, if you want to block this number, just tap here and then tap on this menu icon. And at the bottom, you can see block option. Just tap on block and then tap on block again. And it's complete. Here you can see a icon. That means the number is blocked now. Now I'll show you how to block a contact. Just tap on contacts option and then choose any contact that you want to block. Then tap on this info icon, then tap on three dots, then tap on block contact, then tap on block, and that's it. You can see number has been blocked successfully. Now I will show you how to unblock this number or contacts. Just tap on recents option, then tap on three dots, then go to settings, then tap on block numbers, and that's it. Now from here you can unblock number. You have to just tap on this minus icon and it's done. Now the number or contact has been unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.